Hi, I'm Bob Plummer. I'm here at the Britannia Mining Museum. I am an exploration geologist, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to pan for gold from the sand and gravels that we have in the bottom of our trough here. The idea of gold panning is we rely on the fact that gold is heavier than all the other minerals that are present in our pan here. But scattered throughout this wonderful trough, we've added a few minerals, and there might be some gold in here. So I'm going to show you one technique that I've used for years and years in mineral exploration. Put some gravel in your pan, shake it a few times, put a bit of water in there, shake it a few times, 3, 4, 5 times, stop, and then dip the pan in and pull it out. Do it 3 or 4 times. I call this the dip and pull method. So over the next few minutes, we're going to reduce this amount of sand and gravel down to a concentrate, and then we're going to see what we have. Now, if you notice, I dip the pan at about a 45-degree angle, and as I swirl it around, if there's any gold in here, it will be traveling to the bottom of the pan. Now, this is one method. There are many other methods, but this is the one I've used for years and years in mineral exploration. And the reason I use this method is I want to see every mineral that's in the pan. At this stage, I'm being careful how much water I bring in. I only take it up to about the edge of the lip here. All right, let's see what we got. So first, when I get to this stage, I'll swirl the pan to see what I've got, and as luck would have it, I did pick up a gold flake, so I know I've got one in there, and I'm going to leave it in the pan for now, and I'm going to see if I can get rid of all the other fines. And you see how the fines are at the top now, and the heavy stuff is all down in through here. Okay, so now I'll put some water in again, and this is what your pan wants to look like. Watch what happens when I swirl the water around very carefully. The gold flakes aren't moving, but the other material is. And that's because gold is denser and heavier than a lot of the other minerals that are hiding in the pan here. And that's how it's done.